And a star is warning a new polar blast could bring a white Easter. The paper says it's time to ask the Easter Bunny for a chalk ice. Not asking for much, then, are we?
Hello there. The snow was melting on Sunday. Temperatures were widely in double figures. But that doesn't mean the cold weather has gone away, because we've got warnings from the Met Office through Monday and into Tuesday for snow and ice across northern parts of the UK.
How wrong is the weather going to be this week? Last week it kept Carol on her toes. Good morning, Carol. Happy Monday. Is it going to be a bit calmer this week?
Well, John, not particularly. Temperatures are flip-flopping from being on the mild side to the cold side. There's more snow in the forecast, so it is going to be another busy week. And I'm going to start off with snow and ice, not just today, but tonight and into tomorrow morning as well. And wherever you are, it's going to be a very windy day, especially in the far north and also in the south, even inland, enough so to bring down some small branches or uproot small trees. Temperatures today, well, it's only going to be about 3 degrees at best in Scotland, but we're still in the milder air as we do come further south. So through this evening and overnight, we've got the hill snow coming south, preceded by the rain. These are the totals that you can expect and the levels at which you can expect it, but it's not out with the realms of possibility that we could see even more than that chart is showing. Then as we head into the latter part of the week, we've got this transient ridge of high pressure before this next system comes in from the Atlantic with its weather front. So on Wednesday, we're starting off with a widespread frost. There will be the risk of ice once again on untreated surfaces as well. But many of us will start off on a dry and a bright note with some sunshine. But you can see the cloud building ahead of this system coming in from the west. Now it's going to be bringing in rain, but on its leading edge, as it bumps into the cold air, once again, we will see some snow, mostly on higher ground. But once again, it's going to feel cold. These temperatures 2 to about 9 degrees north to south. So the weather certainly hasn't finished with us just yet. Where is spring, I ask? Sal and John.
Where is it? Any prizes for the weather, Carol?
No, not at all, John. Not today. Good morning, everybody. This morning, for many of us, it's a mild start, but the weather is going to be topsy-turvy this week. So if we take a look at that, first of all, the beginning of the week, turning colder. There's some snow and ice in the forecast, more especially across the northern half of the country. And then it's going to turn milder from Thursday with some rain. And it's going to be windy, particularly so today.
Carol is here with the weather, but before we go to her, there is a clue in the picture about what the weather might be like. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, Sal and John. Good morning to you too. You're absolutely right, Sal. These wee dogs were out for a walk this morning. Look at that. Their blow dry was ruined by the wind. Wherever you are, it's going to be a windy day today, particularly so across the far north of the country and also the far south. And these dogs were on a walk in central Bedfordshire this morning. Now, the other element of the weather is snow and ice, actually, across northern parts of the UK, not just today, but into tonight and also tomorrow. And the other part is rain.
And Carol's giving us a little bit of a hint about what might be coming.
That's right, Sal. Good morning, everybody. Some of us already starting the day with some snow, as you can see from our Weather Watchers picture in Inverness. And snow's going to be in the forecast not just today, but tonight and also the early part of tomorrow, as well as ice across northern areas.